big break to finally happen. I don't have a TTM. We can actually throw one up. We can actually probably even talk about a TTM Squeeze with you guys. But I'm going to actually do a TTM Squeeze Pro. So the Pro specifically is the one that I like. And you can see here, if we actually just go to a 4 hour, here we go. So if you look at a 4 hour, I have this TTM Squeeze set up here. I'm going to make my RSI smaller. And all a TTM Squeeze is going to do is basically show you what the Bollinger Bands are doing. If the Bollinger Bands are very close, it's going to show you a red ping, which means that we have a squeeze. And then if the Bollinger Bands are far away, it's going to be red, which is going to show you that there's no squeeze intact. Now, what the Pro will do, it might be a little hard for you guys to see this, but I'm hoping it's not. What the Pro will do is it will flash green when there's no squeeze, and it will flash black, you can see here, when there is a squeeze, and then it will flash red when the squeeze is very, very strong. And so if we look at QQQ, specifically since March 31st, we've just been squeezing between 319 and 314. That's all we've been doing. But not until the 12th of April, about 2 weeks ago, did the TTM start to squeeze. Now we've been squeezing for about 2 full weeks. It looked like this squeeze was going to be released when we pushed underneath 314 and 312, but now we have quickly recovered back up. We're holding here, and I think that this squeeze will continue. Once this squeeze releases, there's going to be a huge move. We're either going to break our way up through 320, all the way up to 330, potentially 340 in the next couple of months, or we're going to release to the downside after all the volatility, and I'm just going to say it, the fuckery of everything happening in the past couple of weeks and next couple of weeks with earnings is over. Potentially, we could see this push through 313 and the move down to 300. So for me, like, I trade SQQQ and TQQQ a lot specifically, but weeks when I see this type of price movement in QQQ and I'm just buying, selling, not really getting anywhere, I don't care. Like, the market's sitting sideways. We don't even have to really be trading during these couple of weeks. But the major areas we're watching for on QQQ is 320 and 313.